Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add work profile in Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down, locate and click on modes and routine. Now, once you click on modes and routine, scroll down, locate and click on work. Now, once you click on work, go ahead and click on start. Then you should say set work mode to turn on automatically. Maybe you want to use place or you want to use time period. So go ahead and select your time. Then turn on, maybe you want to use it for whole day or every day or every week. You can even choose every month. Once you're done with your choice, go ahead and click on done. And then you should see your work profile set. Then click on next. Then if you want to use do not disturb, just go ahead and turn on do not disturb while at work. You may still want to allow calls and notifications from some people or application by clicking on call and messages. Then click on add contact. Add the person you want to allow calls from. Then click on always, click on done. Then if you want the caller to call you multiple times, click on repeat callers. Then if you want to receive messages from people as well, maybe just go ahead and click on all. And then after that, hit the back button. Then click on done. Click on next. Now it should say choose what to do in work mode. Sound mode and volume, power saving, or open app, or do an app action. Select your choice. Click on done. If you want to mute, select it again. Click on the settings. Maybe you want it to only vibrate. You want to play sound. But since it's work, just go ahead and click on vibrate. Click on done. Click on done again. Then you should see the work mode turned on. Now, when it is time here, work profile is going to be turned on automatically. And then you will be good. So that's exactly how to turn on or set up work profile in Samsung. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.